Thanks for watching. We got the top glued onto the sides here. I know it's been a little while since we got an episode in this violin series out. I've been super busy in the shop. Tons of troubleshooting going on right now with the CNC machine. Lots of headaches, but I think I got it worked out. I'll make another video talking about what was happening and what the resolution for my problems was. But it was nice to do a little handwork, get away from the machine and troubleshooting side of everything. This is really good. I really like how everything's turning out so far. So I got the sides and the top glued on, and then we're gonna do some really nifty, once we get the neck cut, which is coming up next, we're gonna do the neck and the fretboard, maybe the tail piece, and just get all the parts finished cut so we can just do the final handwork and get everything done. But the way I'm gonna do my neck joint is gonna be really cool. Well, I think it's really cool. The way we're gonna use the CNC machine to do a relatively complex task in a very precise manner. So all in all, I've been really pleased with how this worked out. It looks really good. I'm really happy with it. I hope it sounds as good as it looks, but we'll see. I know my integrated bass bar here was controversial for a lot of you guys. It's just an experiment, you know? So I built some mandolins, and I really like the rigidity one. It's surprisingly, most people think that because it's an integrated piece that it makes the top less rigid. It actually makes it more rigid, which is interesting, and it does affect the tone significantly because of it. So I have a mandolin that I built with a bass bar that I used 2 different sized bass bars because I kind of wanted to see how the tone would be affected by that, and it has a wonderful tone. And then I built a mandolin with an integrated bass bar and integrated tone bars. And while I really like the instrument and I enjoy playing it, it's not specifically the tonality that I personally really enjoy. So I'm wondering if that replicates in this, and if it does, then I'll know where I want to go for in the future. So that's what we're doing. So we got our top and our back here, and the box is looking really nice. But next thing up, we're gonna do that neck. I really had to have some of the bugs that I was having on the machine worked out before we cut that neck, and I've been doing a whole bunch of work. People who have seen videos, people have noticed me on Instagram and Facebook, have been asking for a lot of stuff, so I've been designing a lot of custom parts and doing a lot of that work, and it's been extremely time consuming. So that's what I'm primarily working on, and that's why you saw the shop update videos. But I thought it was way past time to get another violin episode out. So that's what we've done here. I love your likes, I love your comments. Please like, share, subscribe, the bell, Patreon, all that stuff. Oh, a lot of questions people have been asking for STLs or 3D models of the violin. I am gonna make those available. Those are gonna be on Patreon. It's $1. So it's not like it's a huge amount of money. So if you become a Patreon for $1, then you get the violin. Once the instrument is complete, you'll get the violin complete archive from Fusion 360, so you can make STLs or whatever you need to do after that. I really like the solid, basic step files that you get from Fusion 360, which are, just very precise. So yeah, also the mandolin, the jazz style mandolin, and the nickel harpa are both up on there already. So if you liked those videos and you want to look at some of my work as far as the Fusion side, yeah, check me out on Patreon and give me $1. It's not a lot. It doesn't really make a big difference to me, but it just lets me know that you're watching and you're interested. So yeah, let's do that. Thank you guys very much. Have a good day. We'll see you next time.